Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of Portugal's hidden gems. Let's explore why Cascais should be your next travel destination. I'm talking sun-drenched beaches, cobblestone streets straight out of a storybook, and food that'll make you want to book a one-way ticket. We're going deep on why this place has stolen my heart, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be head over heels too. So, grab your passport, throw some clothes in a bag, or don't whatever, live a little. And let's jump right into the 8 reasons why Cascais needs to be on your travel bucket list. First up, let's talk beaches. Cascais is practically overflowing with them, each one more beautiful than the last. Picture this: golden sand, crystal clear turquoise water, and not a worry in the world. Whether you're all about catching the perfect wave, and trust me, the surf here is legendary, or you're more of a build a sandcastle, soak up the sun kind of traveler, Cascais has got you covered. We're talking Praia de Rainha, tucked away like a secret escape for royalty, Praia do Guincho, a surfer's paradise, and Praia da Conceição, where the vibes are as good as the seafood. And that's just scratching the surface. Seriously, pack extra sunscreen because you're gonna want to spend some serious time exploring these beaches. Cascais isn't just a pretty face, it's got layers, man. This place is steeped in history, and I'm not talking boring textbook stuff. I'm talking ancient fortresses that have seen it all, whispering secrets of pirates and kings. Get lost wandering through the narrow, winding streets of Cascais' old town. You'll stumble across colorful houses adorned with azulejos, those iconic Portuguese tiles that tell stories without saying a word. And don't even get me started on the palaces and museums, each one a portal to a different era, packed with enough art, artifacts, and royal intrigue to satisfy even the biggest history buff. This isn't just visiting the past, it's feeling it come alive around you. Trust me, you'll be snapping photos like crazy. Okay, let's talk food, because if there's one thing I love more than a good adventure, it's a good meal. And trust me, Cascais is a foodie's paradise. We're talking fresh off the boat seafood so good you'll swear you can still smell the ocean breeze. Grilled sardines glistening with olive oil, garlic, and sea salt. Octopus cooked to perfection, and clams swimming in white wine sauce that will have you licking the plate clean. But it's not just seafood, folks. From creamy pastel de nata that'll melt in your mouth to hearty meat dishes that'll stick to your ribs, Cascais has something to satisfy every craving. Do yourself a favor. Come hungry, leave happy. As the sun sets, Cascais sheds its laid-back beach town vibe and transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. Think buzzing bars, live music spilling out onto the streets, and enough energy to keep you going till dawn. Whether you're looking for a cozy wine bar to sip on some Vinho Verde or a bumping club to dance the night away, Cascais has got you covered. This is the kind of place where you can start the night with a glass of ginginha, that sweet cherry liqueur that'll knock your socks off, and end up sharing stories with locals and fellow travelers as the sun comes up. Don't fight it, just go with the flow. Cascais after dark is an experience you won't soon forget. Alright, let's talk about those views, because Cascais is practically bursting with them. I'm talking jaw-dropping panoramic vistas that'll make you want to ditch your phone and just soak it all in. Hike up to the top of Cabo de Roca, the westernmost point of mainland Europe, and feel the wind whip through your hair as you gaze out at the endless expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Trust me, it's the kind of experience that stays with you long after you leave. Or stroll along the picturesque Cascais Marina with its bobbing yachts and luxury boats, and watch the sunset paint the sky in a riot of colors. Every corner you turn in Cascais reveals a new and breathtaking view, so keep your camera handy and get ready to fill your Instagram feed. If you're anything like me, you can't stay still for too long. You crave adventure, you need to feel the wind in your hair and the ground beneath your feet. Well, guess what? Cascais has got you covered there too. We're talking epic hikes along the rugged coastline with hidden coves and breathtaking views around every bend. Rent a bike and explore the Sintra Cascais Natural Park, a sprawling wonderland of forests, dunes, and pristine beaches. And if water sports are your thing, get ready to dive in. Surfing, windsurfing, kitesurfing, paddleboarding, you name it, Cascais has got it. This place is a playground for adventure seekers, so pack your sense of adventure and get ready to push your limits. You know what really makes a place special? The people. And let me tell you, the locals in Cascais are some of the warmest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet. They're always down for a chat, always happy to share their favorite spots, and always ready to help you out with a smile. Whether you're struggling to order your coffee in Portuguese or just looking for directions, don't be afraid to ask a local. They'll be more than happy to help you out and make you feel right at home. It's that genuine warmth and hospitality that truly sets Cascais apart and makes it feel less like a tourist destination and more like a home, away from home. And here's the best part. Cascais is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Lisbon, one of Europe's most vibrant and exciting cities. A quick 30-minute train ride and boom, you're transported from the laid-back beach town vibes of Cascais to the bustling streets of Lisbon, with its iconic yellow trams, world-class museums, and buzzing nightlife. So you can have the best of both worlds, the tranquility of Cascais and the excitement of Lisbon, all within easy reach. It's the perfect combo for a day trip, a weekend getaway, or even a longer stay. So there you have it, folks. 8 amazing reasons to pack your bags and head to Cascais, Portugal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video. From the stunning beaches and rich history to the delicious food and vibrant nightlife, Cascais has something for everyone. And with its easy access to Lisbon, it's the perfect destination for a European adventure. I'm already dreaming of my next trip back. How about you?